Hi everybody, this is Adam from Family Pop TV. Today we're gonna do a tech review of Umidigi Uron S. This is the upgraded version of previous Umidigi U-Watch. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, Family Pop TV. Umidigi has unveiled a brand new sports smartwatch series at the end of 2020 called Uron. I would recommend sticking around if you're picking this up. First impression after unpack, it doesn't feel cheap. I'm pretty impressed with the quality. Nice circular watch face, looks very premium with a nice finish on the side and the bottom. We got here the sensors at the bottom and the magnetic charge pins from the charging port, and it comes with a dedicated charging USB cable with the magnetic pins on one end and standard USB at the other end. The Uron fitness tracker is compatible with most smartphones with Bluetooth 4.0 or higher. Uron watch using a dedicated app called PiActive, which is compatible with both Android and iOS for iPhone. The screen of this smartwatch is a 1.1-inch circular TFT LCD touch display with resolution 240 by 240 pixels. For the clarification, as the body is circular, the display screen underneath is also circular and is protected by curved glass with anti-fingerprint coating. I definitely prefer this round touch screen over the square screen in the middle. It just looks good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Brightness of the screen is, I would say, very sufficient. The brightness can be adjusted in settings and it's got 3 brightness levels, and this is the maximum now. In comparison to Apple Watch, this screen is as bright as Apple Watch screen. The screen is very responsive and I like it. Uron S screen also offers some degree of customization. We've got here 4 watch faces built in, and here the watch faces are called dials. So you can pick your favorite watch face either through the app or at the smartwatch screen, and it changes instantly. Uron and Uron S uses the same advanced PixArt PPG sensors, which can measure your heart rate efficiently in real time, day and night. You will receive a reminder if your heart rate exceeds the range which you set manually. Umidigi Uron has got a pretty big list of features. You can track several exercises as it has 17 sport modes, which is running, walking, cycling, treadmill, speed walking or power walking, stationary biking, and that's me during these tests, hiking, climbing, rowing, badminton, elliptical or cross trainer, football, basketball, tennis, yoga, dancing, and my favorite, weightlift workout. It hasn't got an automatic exercise detection, so before exercising you'll have to switch the exercise tracker manually. However, it does detect when you sleep and when you wake up, so it will catch your full sleeping pattern. Uron Sports Watch can count your steps, calories burned and kilometers traveled. The watch does the health monitoring as well. It will create graphs to provide visible health data for you to know your own physical conditions easier. It records your workouts on PiActive app, which can offer you a complete guide during training to help crush your fitness goals. As I mentioned earlier, you can track and measure your heart rate 24/7. You could also do it from the app. It's got step counter or pedometer. You could track your blood oxygen levels, It's got drink reminder. This is adjustable manually through the app, and I personally love this feature. It's got calorie counter, remote control of music and cameras. It's got medication reminder. It's got menstrual cycle calculation for women, and this also had to be set up manually in the app. It's got compass. As you see, Umidigi Uron Sports Watch bring in multiple practical functions to help you keep healthy and track the progress. Once you have the smartwatch connected to your smartphone in PiActive app via Bluetooth, you can choose to switch on notification for most communicating apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype, Twitter, Instagram, and many more. In addition, it offers alarm clock, stopwatch, find phone, call rejection, and 5 days weather forecast. It's got camera shutter sync function, but I personally don't use it. The high-intensity lithium battery allows you to use the watch longer. You should have about 14 days of battery life between the charging, assuming you'll use the watch heavily every day. Or up to 40 days if you're like me and you use just the basic watch functions. So battery life depends only on how much you use the screen, to be honest. The full battery charge takes around 2.5 hours. Summary and conclusion. This is a tech review of Umidigi Uron S. If you would like to get a GPS functionality built in, there's a GPS version of the smartwatch called just Uron. I'd like to add that if you don't want to spend a ton on expensive Apple Watch, Umidigi Uron S would be a great option to consider. With so many similar devices currently available on the market, what differs Uron is the high level of functions and attractive price. This is something which helps this product to stand out. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable smartwatch that has 5 ATM waterproof rating and it's compatible with Android and iPhone smartphones as well, then look no further. If you're a fitness enthusiast, then you'll love the Umidigi Uron S. If you want to pick up this smartwatch, you could find a link in the video description. If you got any questions, please put them in the comments and I will answer it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews like this one. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, Family Pop TV.